So I was using class-based schemes, but found these weren't suitable for the children, the language that they would have. So when I wrote the book, I wanted it to reflect the fact that children learn language at different rates. Also, during lockdown, when we moved to online teaching, many parents wanted to support their children in their Irish language learning, but in many cases they had forgotten their Irish, or English is not their first language, and weren't in a position to do that. So I wanted the book to be a resource that could help parents as well. The book is in 4 sections. So section 1 of the book focuses on the 10 themes of the Irish curriculum, but we've also added a number of units, including Loganamnacha, on Nádúr agus on Timpalacht, and Technoliacht. The second part or section of the book then is grammar based. So there's an extensive range of grammar that's explained in this part of the book. And the grammar that's there can be taught as part of a thematic lesson or as a discrete language lesson. So for example, if we were teaching a topic in English, we can also teach it in Irish, and you're transferring skills then across the languages. So the third section of the book focuses on the writing and presentation skills, and also on comprehension strategies. And finally, the fourth section is a reference section that outlines some games that can be used by teachers or can be used at home to promote Irish language learning, and also there are worksheets there that teachers can use. So as a teacher myself, this is a reference book and it's not another workbook. So the benefits for teachers in this is that they can access many aspects of the Gaeilge curriculum in a one-stop resource. Everything is there in that one book. The benefit of this is that it saves teachers time. They don't have to be looking through many different resources. Also, this book supports differentiation. When I wrote the book, I'm very conscious of the fact that children come to school having different language learning experiences, and this book reflects that. So it's a book that teachers can use as a base and build upon themselves, add their own notes to it, and through their own teaching and learning experiences, they can add to this, and they have a resource there that they can continuously use.